Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to replace a downpipe on an LNF 2.0 liter Cobalt SS. I'm going to show you what wrenches you need, and it's pretty simple upgrade. It's for off-road use only, but I'll show you what wrenches you need and what it's going to take to remove it. It's pretty simple. But first of all, I want to go over the wrenches. I have them set up over here. You need a 22 millimeter for your O2 sensor. You'll need a 14 millimeter with a swivel and a ratchet in order to get the back bolt on top of the downpipe. You're also going to need a 14 millimeter and a 15 millimeter ratchet wrench if you got one. Make it a little bit easier. You can use a socket, whatever you want. But we're going to go underneath the car. We'll talk about it. Okay, we're underneath the car. You can see there's my downpipe, and it goes along the bottom of the car. It's hooked through the exhaust. This is a 3-inch exhaust from ZZP. You can see the O2 sensor right there. And as you come up here, these 4 bolts that are up here are a 15 millimeter, and in the back here, those back there are 14 millimeter. So, and the O2 sensor is your 22 millimeter. So it's pretty simple. I'm not going to show you while I'm loosening these bolts up, and I'll show you when I got it on there and what it looks like after I'm finished. Alright, I got my downpipe removed, and I was kind of investigating this a little bit, and what I found was, if you look down inside here where the catalytic converter is supposed to have some kind of a filter or whatever down there, or whatever it's called, ceramic. I'm not sure exactly what it uses to filter the air, but the exhaust. But you can tell that it's completely gone. So I don't know exactly what happened to it, but I now have to take my exhaust apart to find out if my exhaust is clogged up. So I'm going to do that right now and see if we can figure out what's going on. I have a little bit of a misfire, and I don't know what it is for sure. Maybe I just need to get my plugs, but we'll find out. So if I take a look in the back of my exhaust, shine the light in there, it doesn't look like I have any obstructions, and I have no idea where the inside of that catalytic converter went, if it just blew out of the exhaust pipe or whatever, but we're gonna find out, see if there's anything in there clogging up my exhaust pipe. Alright, so underneath my car, you can see there's remove these are 14 millimeters, and then here is 14 millimeters. So I'm gonna remove those, and we'll see if we can find out what the problem is. Maybe there is no problem. Maybe the catalytic converter stuff just blew right out the back, but we're gonna find out. So it takes a 14 millimeter wrench, and this is a ZZP 3-inch stainless steel exhaust, and it's really nice, easy to remove in case you need to. Alright, this is the back side of my muffler, and you can see that there's nothing in there. I don't think there is anything in there obstructing it. This right here, I didn't see anything on the back side of this, but I'm going to stick a piece of wire in there and see if we can find anything. Maybe it's stuck around this corner, I don't know. Same thing with this side. Really didn't see anything in here, so I don't know what it is. Check this one out. I don't see, you can see in this one, there's nothing there either. So maybe there's nothing obstructing this. We'll find out here in a sec. Okay, so we're gonna try a little test here on this elbow down here on the exhaust, and I'm gonna just put this socket through it and see if it goes through and see if there's anything obstructing it. So that answered that. I didn't find any obstructions in my exhaust system, so we're going to go ahead and adjust the spark plug gap, and we'll go from there. YouTube trick here, we'll snap our fingers and it's ready to go. Alright, you can see we got it installed. ZZP, another nice product, stainless steel downpipe. Now there's your O2 sensor. Make sure you tighten these bolts back up and you should be good to go. The reason why I changed mine out is because my engine was burning a lot of oil. I had rebuilt it and I didn't know why. But I'll go over that in the next video. We figured out what it was, and so my Cadillac converter was all clogged up, so that's why I replaced it. And anyway, we'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.